walk through doors that led to nowhere, hoping someday I'd find what's fair.
Category 17. Renovation and remodeling. Question: how do I decide whether to remodel or move?
Naomi, I've been debating, should I remodel my home or just move?
That's a tough call, Amara. It really depends on what you're looking for.
Well, I like my location, but my home needs some updates.
In that case, remodeling might be the way to go. If you love your neighborhood and just need minor updates, it can be more cost-effective.
What about moving?
Moving makes sense if your home no longer fits your lifestyle. For example, if it's too small, your commute is too long, or the neighborhood isn't working for you anymore.
That makes sense. How do I figure out what's best financially?
Compare the costs of remodeling with the expenses of selling your current home and buying a new one. Factor in things like real estate fees, moving costs, and potential renovations in a new place.
Got it. Sounds like I have some calculations to do.
Definitely, but take your time. It's a big decision, and you want to make the right choice for you.
A little place to call my own, a shelter made of love, not stone. And now I'm standing at the gate.
Category 17. Renovation and remodeling. Question: can I include renovation costs in my mortgage?
Yumi, I've been thinking about buying a fixer-upper, but I'm not sure how to handle the renovation costs. Can I include those in my mortgage?
Actually, yes, you can. There are renovation loan programs like the FHA 203K or home-style renovation loans that let you combine the purchase price and renovation costs into one mortgage.
Oh, that sounds convenient. How do those loans work?
With these loans, you'll borrow based on the home's value after the renovations are complete. It's a great option if you want to tackle a fixer-upper but don't have the cash for upgrades up front.
Are there any specific requirements I should know about?
Definitely check with your lender. They'll go over eligibility requirements like credit score and the types of renovations allowed.
This could really help make a renovation project more manageable.
Absolutely. Just make sure you're comfortable with the loan terms and have a solid plan for the renovations.
A brand new chapter, I can't wait. These keys to my dreams, they're in my hand. A place to grow, a place to stand. Every corner whispers my name. This is my home.